Part of me feels like I look like Wicked. Part of me feels like I look like Emerald City from The Wizard of Oz. I don't know. I can't decide. I can't decide it. Is going to be a last minute takeover video. You guys know I'm a huge Ariana Grande fan, and she recently got to star in the Wicked special, and I was living for the makeup. I decided to recreate the look today as a last minute costume idea. So if you are struggling, like yours truly, to find a really good idea for Halloween, and you realize that it is this week and you still don't know what you're gonna be, turn to makeup. Super easy. Find some green stuff to wear and you're Ariana Grande. Don't forget about the ponytail though. It's important. So if you guys would like to see how I recreated her Wicked look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, I'm starting off with skincare in this video, and I love this black cherry merlot hand sanitizer. It smells delicious. But we're gonna go in with this new T5i mask. This is their green tea detox mask, and it's meant to eliminate acne, clog pores, and just make your face fresh and so clean. And I have a discount code for you guys. It's Carrie15. You'll get 15% off using this code on T5i's website, which I'll have linked down below. But this mask is really great. It pulls the toxins out of your skin to remove any blackheads, redness, or acne, and it gives your skin a really nice glow. So I just applied this all over my face, and I will say it was thick when I applied it, and I think it's just because of the temperature. I kept this kind of close to the side of my room that's cold. I have a really weird room, so I don't know if maybe that's what made it thick, but it wasn't uncomfortable to apply at all, and it went on smoothly. I felt luxurious putting it on, and it was kind of fun to have a full green face mask. I kind of was already in the Wicked mood already, and you can kind of cheat and call this your Halloween costume while you're multitasking, living your best life, you know? So once it's on for 10 to 15 minutes, then your time is up and you can rinse it off, and it leaves your skin nice, fresh, and glowy. I absolutely love this mask. So again, I'll have my coupon code Carrie15 as well as the website down below for you guys to check it out. But after that, we went into the actual look, and I'm going in with this Lorac eye primer and applying this all over my eyelids to prep for the look. And I was really excited because today I decided to use the new Too Faced gingerbread palette that they came out for this holiday season. I love this, it's so cute. So I went in first with this color called Oh Snap, and it's a sparkly orangey transition shade, and I'm just using a Morphe blending brush to softly apply this color into my crease area. And I want a soft, nice blend because we're going to use this as just our transition shade. Next, we're going back to the palette, and we're going to use this golden shade, and we're going to use this to kind of add a little bit more of a highlighted effect to the crease color. And then we're also going to use the sparkly green shade in the palette and use that to add a little bit more depth and dimension to the eye. And I like these colors because they're all shimmery without being too much, so they create this really nice subtle glow to the eyes. Then we're going to Fenty, girl, because you know you gotta use it for Halloween. And I'm taking this darker green glitter in the Fenty palette, and I am diffusing this onto the lid using another fluffy Morphe brush. This one's a little bit more compact though, so I can apply a little bit more color. And I'm making sure to blend it in with the crease colors we applied. And then to brighten the eye, I went in with the lighter green in the Fenty palette and just popped that on top to brighten the overall look. And just know you'll have hella glitter on your face afterwards, but that's okay, we'll get rid of it. So then I went in with my MBA Cosmetics glitters, and I used this bright green in the inner corner to add a little bit more glam, a little bit more extra, because you know me. And then I went in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner to line and wing my eyes. And the important part about this is just making your wing a little bit thicker than you normally would, because we're going to actually clean it up later, so it's not going to stay this thick. But also make sure that you use a liquid felt tip liner as opposed to a gel liner for this step, since we're going to be cleaning it up. It just makes it easier to remove. So I'm taking my makeup remover cloth, and I am kind of smoking out slightly the edge of the liner, as well as getting rid of any extra glitter on my face. And then I went back in and added some glitter to the crease and blended just to add more of like this halo effect. Then I went to the palette and took this plummy brown shade, and I'm using this to kind of smoke out the winged liner a little bit, just to soften it and thicken it so that it looks more like Ari's. And then I'm taking this bone color to highlight the brow bone.
And then after we do all the shadow stuff, it's time to move on to everything else. So I put on some falsies. I also applied this Zero eyeliner by Urban Decay on my lower lash line. I applied the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and I used this brow pencil from the European Wax Center, and this is the eye look. So next we're going on to the face. I'm using this Angel Veil primer by NYX and applying this all over my face. I really like this primer. It just leaves a slight tint to the face, so be warned if you got that melanin. And then I took this IT Cosmetics concealer, very full coverage, to cover up them bags and any scars I had on my face. My face recently freaked out on me. I don't know why, so I have some remaining scars that I'm waiting to fade, but I am just blending this concealer out underneath my eyes, on the side of my nose to help with the contour effect later on, and on my scars. And as you guys know, I don't wear foundation, so I love this concealer because it's full coverage, so it really helps to even everything out without you putting on a full face. Then to set, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is my go-to powder. I've used this since the beginning of this channel, and I'm just using this to even out everything and set the concealer. After that, we're going to go in and apply that Oh Snap shade to the lower lash line just to add some more balance to the eyes. And then we are going to go ahead and use my favorite bronzer, Lula by Benefit, and apply this to contour. I used to use this all the time, and then I went to Too Faced and used their Chocolate Soleil and fell in love with that. But now I'm back on the Hula grind again. So I use this to contour my face, adding more color back into it and more dimension. And I didn't apply blush because Ariana didn't look like she was wearing blush in this look. So I went right for highlighter. And for that, I'm using the Unicorn Glow palette by Bad Habit Beauty. It's hard to kind of see these colors, but I'm using the green highlighter and applying this to my nose, to the cheekbones, and to any other high points on the face to add that glow. Don't be afraid of it, girl. Shining bright like diamonds today. To finish off the look, we're going to do the lips. So I'm using this black lipstick by CoverGirl, and I'm applying this as my base because I actually didn't have a green lipstick, so here's a hack for you. So I'm using this as the base color, and then I went back to the Fenty green shade we used earlier and just tapped that over it, and then used the NBA Cosmetics glitter on the center of the lips. And after that, the look is complete. It is finished. So here is Ariana's wicked look. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it out, and tag me on social media if you decide to do so.
So this was the Ariana Grande Halloween edition tutorial thingy-majigger. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments what you guys are deciding to be for Halloween this year. Thank you for staying tuned with me through all of October for my Octoberverse 2018, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!